Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am very excited because I'm going to be talking about one of my rather new favorite product and I'm really very happy and excited to talk to you guys about it. Is this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum. Get the product in this cardboard packaging and the original product comes in a glass bottle like this, which also comes with a pump, which I think is very cool because it also controls the volume of the amount that we are going to take in our palms. So this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum is suitable for all hair types. Okay, so to talk about the product in a little more detail, this is suitable for all hair types, be it curly, straight, wavy curly or wavy straight. Whatever your hair type is, this is going to suit you really well because I have had keratin treatment a few days back, maybe almost a month, and I've tried this on my hair. I have chemically treated hair now. Even though keratin treatment is a damage repair treatment, but you still need some kind of additional nourishment to your hair. That's just a part of the post-treatment care, and that goes the same for every kind of treatment, be it your hair, your skin, everything. You do need some kind of post-treatment care. This glass bottle comes with a pump which gives out just the right amount of product in your palm, and you can apply it all over your hair strands. You do not have to apply it on your scalp or your hair roots. You have to apply it on the strands, like the mid-lengths, the ends, and it's just going to give you so much shine to your hair. You can see instant results in like a minute. It does not feel sticky at all. It's not greasy, and I don't know, I just have all the good things to say about this product. I've been using it for almost 10 days now. You can see that I have used like the initial part of the bottle. You do not require a lot of product to see the results. Of course, if you have like thick, long hair, you will require a little bit more than what people normally use. But I think even after that, this bottle is going to last you so even after that, I think the bottle is going to last you a very long time. Now, how I like to use it is I take out one pump of the serum and apply it to my lens right after I shampoo my hair. So after I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair like we all usually do, I just take it and apply on the ends of my hair because my hair is a little drier on the ends even after keratin treatment. You can see like I've used a few hair serums from L'Oreal in the past and they've all been very amazing, but I'm really impressed with this one in particular. Now what I would like to show you guys in detail is an instant result that I'm going to show you, like a live result. I'm going to apply it on the length of my hair and show you the before and after. Whenever I go out, I just take one pump of this and just run it all through my hair with my fingers and I am good to go. Believe me, with all the pollution outside, this adds just the right kind of hair protecting to my hair. Even before applying heat to my hair like curling or straightening, I don't need to straighten anymore because of the keratin treatment that I've had done. I filmed a video 2 days back and for that I needed to curl my hair. And all through these past few months, I did not feel like curling my hair because it's just too much heat and damage to my hair, and I did not curl my hair for a very long time. And before curling my hair, I use this as my hair protectant, like a heat protectant almost. And this does claim that this gives you heat protection to up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is required by curling your hair and all of that, because straightening does not require a lot of heat, but curling majorly requires a lot of heat to your hair and it does damage your hair a lot because your curls need to stay in place, right? So I use this before and after curling my hair. So now that you've seen live results of this video, I am going to show you a wear test. I'm going to apply this on my wet hair, like damp hair, and I'm going to take you all throughout my day after every few hours and just keep on updating you. And I will add all the clips right over here so that you can see that it does stay put for a very long time and it does not go off, does not leave you oil stains on your clothes. It is such a lightweight product. I even sometimes apply it on my body just like that. If I'm wearing something like the off shoulder or like one shoulders, I do apply it somewhere on my body as well. I have used this product for literally everything. You have to believe me on this. So after every 2 hours, I kind of recorded and filmed the condition of my hair. If you have like frizzy hair, this is going to be a lifesaver. Believe me on this. You'll see like a major instant difference once you apply the product on your hair. It's good for all hair types, but if you have dry frizzy hair, this is going to be your lifesaver. Take my word on it. I have used it so much and I have all the good things to say about it. It tames down your frizz so much, up to like 4 to 5 hours to the least. I have used L'Oreal in the past as well. I have made a few videos with them in the past and I have never been disappointed with their products, and the same goes for this as well. This has been one of my go-to products from now on. I just cannot do without this product and I take it with me everywhere. I carry it all around. I use it for all my hair purposes: detangling, heat protectant, hair protectant, sunlight protectant, because it does claim all these things and I have all the good things to say about it. Go ahead and check it out for yourselves. You will not be disappointed, just like I was.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story, but don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you.
Purchase link to this product will be listed down in the description box below. It is available on Nykaa and Amazon and also on the L'Oreal official website. Please do check it out and you can thank me later in the comments down below. I will see you in my next video.